How to remove your status from the WhatsApp. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can change your status from your WhatsApp. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in your app store or the play store that you are using, and here you have to go on the search and you just have to search for the WhatsApp. Now once you are in, you just have to open it and click on your WhatsApp, and you have to update your WhatsApp application. And after you update it, you just have to go back and open up your WhatsApp. Now once you are in, you just have to click on the updates and you have to select the status that you want to delete your from your delete feed. And once you select it, here is the option of the three dots. You just have to click on it and click on the delete, and here is the confirmation to delete the one status update. You just have to click on it, and after that you are able to delete your status in your iPhone. And if you are in the Android, you just have to repeat the same process. You have to go on the status section, and from there you just have to select the status that you want to delete, and you have the option to delete your status. So that's how you can remove your status from your WhatsApp. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.